Nickamina repost 41 Bussed.
NEWLINK, man. Yeah, smarty. Man, if you're blood clot, smarty.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I know, say recently 41 Bussed, popular Jamaican TikToker, was cut down by people in a Montego Bay. You understand, Jamaica, St. James Parish. And you don't know, say I covered the breaking news of the story, my people. You understand, the breaking news. It happened, what went down, you know what I mean. Today, while I'm doing this recording, is the 21st of December 2024, my people, which today will be 41 Bussed birthday, my people. So you don't know, say, as me show now what go on, he was gearing up, preparing up for his birthday celebration today, my people. But unfortunately, he was cut down right before his birthday, my people. Very sad situation, very terrible situation, my people. Unexpectedly, you know what I mean? But this recording I'm doing now, my people, is not just to talk about the death of 41 Bussed, my people. But I'm going to talk about myself also in this vlog. And I'm going to just put certain things out there for people to understand what is really going on right now, my people. In Jamaica and in this world overall, my people. You know what I mean? Because, and first of all, let me say something to you all. Listen me, you see, as a vlogger, me not clickbait. Me telling you the truth. Me don't clickbait. So if you want to get it to NEWLINK, you clickbait, you this, you that, feel free, you understand, to say that in the comments or whatever. It's no problem to me. You get me? I say, I don't clickbait. I'm a blogger, my people. There's certain things I can't just talk like that and just put it out there like that, like just say something raw like that. No, I can't. You know what I mean? I know what's really going on, you know, my people. So you see, really and truly, if you all cannot read codes, then you're in trouble, you're in problem. I talk codes, my people. Codes. So you have to look deep into what I'm saying. It's like my vlogs nowadays is like a thriller movie. You know, like you watch a thriller movie and you have to use your brain to think. You know what I mean? That's how my vlog is nowadays, my people. So you have to really understand codes. You know what I mean? Because right now, my people, me I tell you, there's a lot going on, you know. There's a lot on the social media thing. You're right? A lot going on. Alright, let me say something to you. You see one point on YouTube, my people, with me, I go show you this. You remember NEWLINK before. NEWLINK used to be the vlogger, and anybody who watch my channel and watch other channel during the period, especially like say from 2018, 2019, 2020, you know what I mean, some part in 2021, my people, you will understand and know say NEWLINK was a blogger who always spit the things them. You know what I mean? Tear down trending. That was NEWLINK. NEWLINK was like the most popular vlogger on YouTube. And this is not joke thing. Big up to fellow bloggers, Jamaican bloggers. You know what I mean? But I'm just saying, me not give myself no self-ratings, but me know what was going on with people. You understand with me? But don't feel like, say, during this period when NEWLINK was pitting the vlog, the popularity, the bigness, and everything was just growing, and people are saying, yo, oh, NEWLINK grow so fast. You know what I mean? Within like 1 month, you're pulling down 12,000, 15,000 subscribers, how much millions at watch time, and this, my people. But there was something behind that. And let me tell you, there was something which I could not see spiritually, my people. I couldn't see it. But there was a feeling like something fully take over me. Like something have my brain captive. You know what I mean? Like something over me. I work with me. And there was something like me there by myself. It's like something around me, my people. I'm not telling you reality and truthfully. I say these things to other people. And if you hear me talking and me blog them sometime before, you hear me explain certain things to you. And burn out certain things and I make you know say yo this media thing yo not, if you is a fan of me and you watch certain things, let me tell the people, you see in a life nothing no come easy. You hear, especially for we as poor people, as a ghetto youth, you know what I mean, as Jamaican, if you want to put it that way, nothing no come easy, my people. So you see everything we see money a flourish pan, you have to pay a price for it. Remember me tell you that, you know, my people. Alright, if you heard about the Bitcoin thing, right? Now I pull on my story. This Bitcoin thing, my people, a lot of people, if you notice, who invent this thing and billionaire out of this thing. You notice the passes away very young. If they live to see 31, them lucky. You do the history, do the maths, do a research and Google, and you will all see if I'm lying, because I'm not lying, my people. You know what I mean? Lot of influencers, you know what I mean? TikTokers, not just Jamaican, my people, but United States and other region, passes away that people have to think and say, yo, how this happen? What really go on? How them? You know what I mean? I'm just telling you this, my people. A lot of them. You know what I mean? You know, go around and look at how much bloggers and this and that who did I wonder say, yo, how them a blogger make so much money? You know what I mean? Just like in the music industry, my people. You see much of them gone and you wonder say, yo, how them just gone like that, this and that. People, listen me what me I show now. A lot of us have to pay a price. You know what I mean? You don't know if it's you don't know it's who, my people. But I'm just telling you, I was caught up in this thing spiritually, my people. And when it's like Jah, you know what I mean? Jah forward and Jah say, you know what I mean? Jah just say, yo, youth, you not to be one of them. You are chosen for me. You are not chosen for them. And this is when like, myself have to break away from this media thing for a while, my people. You know what I mean? Not say me I go stop in, but we have to break away and know, so look at NEWLINK. It's a different thing you're doing there. They have your purpose in it. They have to make the people know what go on in a NEWLINK. This is not all about the money, the fame, the hype in a NEWLINK. Naturally NEWLINK, you got just to the real black them in a NEWLINK. You understand, my people? And this is why the whole NEWLINK thing is so different now, my people. And you that one understand and wonder why there's a lot of story we don't cover, we don't touch. Before you don't notice to run with any little thing and jump, you understand, my people. So you see what go on TikTok with our Jamaican TikTokers, them for sure a lot of them they in a problem with people and this and that, my people. But believe this, you see, when the evil is working, my people, the devil find the one them, you know, who easily want to squeeze out who you know, my people. So even if they should have think twice and say, you know what, can just do this to that. No, my people, that's how the price don't have to pay already. And that's why I say you have to read code when I say, I'm not going to just literally tell us, you know what I mean? They have to pay a price. So make you know, say, yo, there's a devil thing I go on pan the clock up them, my people. You see me? And lot of Jamaican rankers them who are making it have to pay the price for it, my people. You see me? Believe what me I say. If you don't want to believe, don't believe. A lot of them have to pay the price for it, my people. You see me? Them could have get caught up with man in a this and a that and that, my people. But listen, for sure, of course, them are going to have passes. Of course, them are going to be on the rank and them have enemies and this and that. But what me I show my people, a lot of these high rankers and there's more to go. There's more to go. The prices they are paying the people is to save the clock up. Is to save it from getting taken down out of the United States, my people. And a lot of them have to go pay more prices, my people. The blood is the prices they are paying, my people. A reality, me I tell you now, if you don't want to believe, don't believe, bro. A crueltiness a go on, yo. A lot of youth a get distracted. Them a get people in the see what go on pan the thing over there. Eh? When in history, you da find real Jamaican people who da consider straight people and mix up with them shark and transmission and everything together. Eh? And one level, someone where that pray and say them and they are real G, real OG, you find out to them in a match with transmission and them know when in our history you find that a country like Jamaica, my people. Eh? Because they are control now, my people. They are control. The love of money is the root of all evil, my people. Eh? You feel say nothing gonna just come like that easy. When I hear about a ranker can pulling down like 3 grand, 4 grand within a week. Eh? US we are talking about and the clock up, my people. Eh? In a month they will make millions of dollars. You feel say it go just forward like that so easy, my people. Me say there's a lot more prices to pay. So when they are fighting who will come number one and who this and who that, my people, I'm telling them, boy, I pray for on the youth and I beg God help on the soul, bro. On the need to find some real spiritual people. Me I talk to on the youth on the rankers and rankers woman, bro. On the need to find some real spiritual people and get some real spiritual prayer. Zin, 41 boss said have to pay a price, people. He was one. You understand? Naya was one, my people, as my show said, yes, for sure, them are going to use who them want to get them out, my people, but these are the price the rankers are paying, my people. You know what I mean? Of course, them are going to want a female too. Them are going to want a female too. For Lexi's situation, TikTok name so hot when she did gone in the car accident, my people, but she was one to a PR price too. You know what I mean? There's more prices have to pay and they're going to take more and more, especially in this festive season, my people. I'm telling you, it's a serious thing that's going on. And if you cannot read between the code and if you want Judge and say NEWLINK are foolish to say attack, you're free to do it. You understand? You're free to leave your comments. Me are telling you the truth. You want to say me a idiot, me a madman, you're free, bro. But not until you understand what is going on in this world, my people. Right before birthday, them cut down the youth, you know, my people. You see me? See the youth on the clock up, me watch them, my people, as me tell them, me see them, me watch them. You know what I mean? Honestly, in myself, I don't take them for nothing serious when them talk and them run them out with whoever them are do, my people. Because me in my mind, I say, yo, they are rankers, them just have them fun, them just have them time, my people. You see me? But we all have to understand what is going on, my people. Understand? The whole thing is, my viewers and subscribers, there's a price to pay. The app, clock up, my people, is a devil thing. The whole social media thing, bro. Even the same one with the pan, my people. You understand? Not all of us, some of us are really protected by the Almighty. And because we are so spiritually strong and we are a believer and we have faith in Jah, my people, for them to really take control and get over us, my people. Oh my world, oh my peace. Jah sees, Jah knows it's so hard for them, my people. What them are going to do, man? God bigger than them, my people. I'm telling you, the Almighty is bigger than them. You see me? So what me are showing is, my people, right? The thing is, my people, I'm just showing work hard. Right? Work and work very hard, achieve where you want, get where you want. Panic clock up, they are working. Basically, them say we are beg at work, we are work. You go on YouTube, you have blog, I work, you work. Same way, my people. You see me, I do a 9 to 5, and anybody who know me in person, them know say me do a 9 to 5. And big up to all of my followers, them. Big up to everyone who forward and see me upon my 9 to 5, who visit the TIKT0KERS and see me upon my 9 to 5. Because I have a couple of people who forward and see me upon my 9 to 5. And they say, yo, are you the blogger? And I say, yeah, man. And sometimes I joke with them and say, I know me, I'm a brother and them thing. Then they say, yeah, man, I'm a NEWLINK, man. I say, big up yourself. You understand, people? Me not have to do a 9 to 5. Me tell anybody that me don't have to. But me want to know, say, yo, me keep my thing active, my people. Because this thing, I'm a people, me now put my mind to it full force, like to gain from it, my people. I'm being honest to you all. Because I've been there before when I was just doing this thing. I'm telling you what reach my people. Me I tell you what reach me. During this period, my people, me almost dead. You understand? At gunpoint. Me I telling you what go on. Never in me people. Me you just show certain things me not forward and talk. And the media. You understand? Man get a chop cross them neck. You go to my shoulder. Me I tell you the blood run out of me. Me I telling you what go on with me with this thing of my people. But God say NEWLINK. You're not going to pay the price the NEWLINK. You are one of them. You are the chosen NEWLINK. And there was a prophet who told me this thing before I even leave Jamaica and travel. My people say, yo, God have your youth. You understand, my people? There are certain things you not got this club. But I'm going to make you know, people. Yo, pray for the rankers, them. Pray for the vloggers, them. Pray for everyone, my people. We understand we are from the ghetto. We're born poor. You understand? And we see where things just flourish and come. You know what I mean? Only just season he knows. 41 boss said RIP youth, Naya gang, you know what I mean? All of them social media personality who passes away around the world, Jamaica and the Caribbean, because a lot of Caribbean countries are feeling the same thing. They are facing it to my people. Them lose some popular media personality, bloggers too, but you don't know. And all me can say, my people, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms. Same way, my people. Follow us same way, man, because we're there for your purpose, my people. You understand? And I just want the people to know, say, look here, what good. Be careful. trust no one, my people. You understand? Trust no one. And I'm just letting you all this, trust nobody. Because me, people, honestly and personally, me not trust people. You understand? My trust is far away. And make you know this, my people. Big up on yourself and just stay safe and just do the right thing, my people. One team, one dream, one scheme, my people. Peace out. I don't know some people. 41 busted. Any, you know what I mean? Anything forward to it, and this we definitely letting you know what going on, people. It's a very sad situation, man. Feel it for the youth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Blessings and stay safe and just do the right thing, my people. I'm out. Big up. Blessings.